Hello again, this is Hans from Adventure Drives. We are now going to show you how to use the awning on the big Class A Cruisin' Mobile. Awning is obviously attached to the unit. There's some locks that we have to undo first before we do anything, and I have this great big stick that is stored underneath in one of the holes, and it becomes a useful tool for doing this. First thing we want to do, unlock the travel locks. There's two bars here and they're kind of pinched together by this lock. You have to release them on both sides. And that's the release for that. Second thing you need to do is, with this magic stick, we need to unlock the mechanism that is a ratchet system for this awning. So in this case, we're just going to pull that down. Hopefully you can see that on the video. And then you'll find here in the center a green tab. And all you need to do now with our stick is pull it down. And you can hear the clicking. The clicking is what will, see if I release the pressure on it, it does not roll back up. It should ratchet down. Pull it all the way down, right to the end, so that you have this strap is now loose. All right, come on over here. The next step in our awning is taut, which it should be. Release these hand nuts. Extend them all the way down until they click in at the end. Next step is to put a little pressure down on the arm and tighten these up. We'll do the same on the other side. Release, slide it up, click it in, and tighten up. Now you obviously don't want to walk underneath it that low, so we can now extend the arms up. Another release here. I don't know if you can see the handle. I'll pull the handle up and push the arm, and then find it, it'll lock itself in. You just pull the handle back and it'll find a little hole for it to go in. There's many steps you can do that at. Same thing on this side. Pull it, and that's your awning set up. The little tab that you're about to trip over there with the camera. We're going to take this and we just store it somewhere along here. That is how you extend the awning. Hello, it's Hans again. Now we're going to reverse the process of retracting the awning. It's a little bit more tricky, but we can get this done very easily. Follow the steps. Step number one: these arms need to be retracted first. We pull this up and then lock it back into position. Looks like got something there to fix it. Same thing on this side. All the way to the base. It has to be all the way back down to here. Nothing should not be in this position. That's not far enough. You need to come all the way down. All right, next step. Release these arms by loosening off the hand nut. And can you look in there? There's a little tab. If I push my finger down on it, then it releases that, and I can pull that all the way back down. Just leave it loose for now. Same thing goes on this side. Release. Push the little tab down. Because this is already ratcheted down, you can see when it's giving us a bit of a push on it. But the release mechanism to roll back down is right here. Best method is to hold on to this strap first. Magic stick ready. Push that forward till it releases, and you can feel it wanting to spring load its way back up. But walk this strap back to the center. Don't let it go up. Hold on to that center. And you can see the center from the seat. And pull that strap right up. Pull this in, put the travel lock down, tighten up our hand from behind. And that is secure for travel. Same thing with this. If this doesn't quite come in, you got to make sure it's in the right position to lock up and tighten up. Now you may drive down the road and you won't lose the awning.